after the engagement. And then I feel then I get the magician card, Jasprit. You'll have to, in this journey, in your whole life, and also specifically with this person A, you'll have to do the creation yourself. This is the magician. Like there's the infinity sign on top of his head. He can create whatever he wants, and he's creating this with his wand, so this depicts you, you'll have to do this, and you will have to make the effort, and then going on to the advice cards. Nothing happens without me having invited it in. I'm becoming consciously aware of my inner being. What you want, Jasprit, in life. I learn to pay attention to my feelings. This is how you will recognize whether you're having a positive thought or a negative thought, and you can replace your negative thoughts with positive thoughts when you know that, First, I reach for joy and all else follows. First, I reach for joy and all else follows, Jasprit. You have to reach for that joyful feeling, that happy feeling each day, and then only you will be able to create anything that you want, First, I reach for joy and all else follows. I will never get there, so I will enjoy the journey. So every time, what this means is that you have to enjoy the journey. You have to be happy in the journey first, So when you're happy in the journey, or you're feeling joyful in your daily life, that is when you will attract everything else, like I explained before in the reading. And if you're sad in your day-to-day life, you will keep pushing away whatever you want, because that is the law. If you're happy, and what does happiness mean? Happiness means that you have raised your vibration, and a raised vibration creates the set point of attraction for things to get attracted into your life. If you're not happy every day, if you're sad, angry, resentful, guilty, and just thinking about what happened in your past and feeling sad, your vibration is very low. Your vibration is at 250 or 300, and that is not going to attract anything, because everything that you want is at 600 or 700 frequency, and your frequency is 250. Unless you raise your frequency to 600, 500, that is the only time when it's going to be attracted. So that is the law. You can always get a spiritual session with me, or another follow-up reading. A spiritual session will help you understand how you need to progress in this case, the techniques that I've told you. Some people find it very difficult to practice those techniques in the beginning, and they can always have a spiritual session with me, and I can teach them more, and I can also go into further questions about this reading. So this was a personal client reading, everybody, all my viewers who are viewing this reading. This was a private personal reading, and if you require romance private personal readings, please contact me. And also for twin flame sessions and for spiritual sessions, you can always put a comment below and contact me. Thank you so much.